Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to leave a repository on GitHub. If you're part of a repository that you no longer need access to or want to remove yourself from, this process will help you do that cleanly and quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your GitHub homepage where you can access all your repositories and settings. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile and preferences. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see a list of different setting categories. Scroll through these options until you find repositories and click on it. This section displays all the repositories you're currently associated with, whether you own them or are simply a collaborator. Now you'll need to locate the specific repository you want to leave. Browse through the list carefully until you find the repository in question. Once you've identified it, look to the right side of that repository's entry. You'll notice a Leave button positioned right beside the repository name. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the process of removing yourself from the repository. After clicking Leave, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is GitHub's way of making sure you really want to proceed with this action, as leaving a repository means you'll lose access to it unless you're re-invited. In this dialog, you'll see a button that says, "I understand, leave this repository." Click on this button to confirm your decision and finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the repository. This means you'll no longer have access to its contents, and you won't receive any notifications related to it going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.